Good evening, my dear children. Today we are going to learn a basic fundamental from the geography. So, my dear children, it is my responsibility to solve all your doubts which is arised in your mind. My dear children, geography. Geography means it is a combination of two words. Geo means earth. Graphy means description or study. So, commonly known as geography. Geography means study about the earth. So, this word came from the Greek. The word first used by a great scholar, his name is Eratosthenes. Right? So, geography means study about the earth. Geo means earth. Graphy means description or study. So, totally known as study about the earth. So, who used this word first? So, this word first used by a great scholar, his name was Eratosthenes. Okay, na? Next, let's be entering to our topic. So, geography is the study about the earth. That's why we took first our topic is our earth. So, earth is our home. Right now? So, earth is our home. But our home or our earth having some unique features. Why I used this word particularly unique features means so only the earth having such type of qualities, not others. So that's why I used unique features. So what are those unique features? So first thing is earth provides us air and water. So those are very essential for us. So without breathing we can't survive. Any living thing also need oxygen. So our earth provides us air. So water. So water also very essential for human beings as well as others. So that's the reason earth provides us air and water. And next thing is earth. So what is the position of the earth in solar system? So my dear children, earth stands in third position of the solar system. So that is the thing. And next one, our earth looks like a blue planet. So why? What is the reason behind of this is means? So whenever we observe from the outer space of the earth, so our earth's surface is 71% covered by water. So that is the reason our earth looks like a blue planet. And third unique feature is earth provides us even temperature. So what is even temperature means? For example, if this object is in the stage of too hot, we can't touch it. If we touch it, our finger burn. If this object is too cool, if we touch it, our finger turns into numb. So it is very problematic. So but our earth provides us even temperature. Even temperature means not cool, not hot. So it provides sufficient. So that's the reason our earth provides us even temperature. So those are the unique features about the earth. So earth is a planet. So what is meant by planet? What is the definition of planet? Means planet means it receives the light from the other sources. So what are the other sources? So we receive the light from the sun. Sun means sun is a star. It is a big star. So what is the difference between star and planet? Means star emits the light constantly. Always it emits the light constantly. Earth is a planet. Planet means it receives the light from the star. So that is the difference between it receives, it emits. So that is the difference between star and planet. So that is the reason. And next reason is so the distance between the sun and our earth. So because our earth provides us even temperature, no? So that is the reason the distance that is depends upon the distance between the sun and earth. So the distance between the sun and the earth is 530 million kilometers. That is the reason earth provides us even temperature, not cool, not hot. Too cool, too hot. Okay, na? So between that it provides us even temperature. So that is the reason. So and in our further videos we are going to learn about our earth more and more. Okay, bye.